Imamelodi Sundowns esiyaziyo i-create ama-opportunities amaningi, ishaye namagoli, izolo-ke ishaye amagoli awu-5. Shout out to Leon bafowethu engicabanga ukuthi uzoba i-top goal scorer lesi sizini, ushaye i-brace. What a goal bafowethu lokuqala. I hope abombuthuma nezinye iy'trayikha zonke zako-Betway Premiership ziyabona ukuthi kuba i-strike into enjani bafowethu ukushaya amagoli a-serious, hhayi indaba yokudlala lama-tap-in nje kuphela. Teboho Mokoena udlale engekho fit but still ushaye i-free kick enhle kakhulu and ube ne-decent performance cause ngibukele i-repeat-ke mina ye-game cause bengibukele le game lena e-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke a great performance for Imamelodi Sundowns. Sikhumbule ukuthi bashawe i-Arrows but-ke babuyile ngamandla. UMathews, shout out to Matthews naye uthola i-man of the match, ukwazile ukushaya i-assist plus a-goal, so babe negame enhle kakhulu. Nomfana omncane-ke bafowethu ulo uBennett Mokoena ushaye igoli lakhe lokuqala laphana ku-Sundowns as a professional like ku-Betway Premiership. I don't think he has scored before but ushaye igoli elihle kakhulu umfana waseValley. Lo mjida lona mina ngi-understand ukuthi uMokoena but I think u-versatile cause ngimazi bengathi i-striker ngithi laphana ku-Sundowns ku-D_D_C team, ngicela ningikhumbuze if ngenze iphutha. But-ke ku-senior team u-versatile, ukwazi ukuba number 10, ukwazi ukudlala as i-semi-wing, angimazi ukuthi udlala yiphi i-position, unokuba ngathi u-deep kancane but-ke me-attack i-Sundowns uyambona lapha close to the box, umfana i-confidence yakhe at the peak iya le phezulu. Asingeneni-ke ey'nkingeni ze-Sundowns, hhayi ngoba i-Sundowns iney'nkinga bafowethu ey'ningi kabi laphana emuva. Ronwen Williams, Ukhoza no-Ronwen Williams abana-communication basikwere ibhola leli elishaywe uNgwenya laphana, basikwere ibhola ngithi uKekana naye ngathi usindwa umzimba or yini but akanayo leyo pace leyo. Izinto ezilekayo ku-Sundowns, banama-defenders angekho aggressive serious afana nabo-Grant Kekana. And then uphera uGrant Kekana ubani lo mjida lo, Ukhoza. Ukhoza ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi is a modern defender, ufana nabo-Van Dijk, like ukhaphana nama-attackers isikhathi esiningi, like ku-rare umbone ukuthi ashaye ama-tackle amaningi owabonayo na ukuthi yabona-ke uyayiseva ngempela i-Sundowns. No, makafeyiswe izinto nje kunaleyo nto leyo yoku-relax-a and iy'trayikha eziningi I don't think ziyamsaba umuntu ofana noKhoza. Angeke phela ukuthi almost every game uhluleke ukuclear-a ibhola and then aka-communicate no-Ronza but uRonza naye uyobhayizisa uKhoza ngoba uRonza uthe kubonakala engathi uyaphuma lapho, uphumile epalini but akafikanga ebholeni. Kuthiwa uma uphuma as u-goalkeeper fika ebholeni ukwazi ukudila nalo ibhola bafowethu. So communication laphana kumele bazame ukwenza kangcono ku-Sundowns, bayawashaya amagoli bafowethu but-ke ba-concede amagoli abhedayo, akungamele bawa-concede wonke amagoli abawa-concede-ayo bafowethu. Uyabona ukuthi lamagoli lawa bebangawa-avoid-a but ba-concede-a ngendlela ethusayo but-ke shout out to bona ngoba laphana phambili nakhu baya-react-a, bayakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli. Sithembe ukuthi njengoba bakwazile ukuwashaya amagoli ayi-5, le nto lena izovulela amanye amagoli azayo. ULeon siyazi ukuthi akasazowashaya amagoli bafowethu but-ke kule game le or kule win le, uMiguel Cardoso still say for me is not a great coach cause when you have good players ethimini yakho, uba ne-style sakhe esigudi, uyazi ukuthi uNdlovu, how do I get the best of uNdlovu, how do I get the best of ubanibani, how do I get the best of ubanibani, uyawazi ama-player wakho. But if kuzodlala ama-players usually siyamazi uLeon ukuthi ugood, if kuzophefoma uLeon kusho ukuthi uzoseva uLeon. Teboho Mokoena forever present for i-Sundowns. It's not like uMiguel Cardoso khona into afike nayo entsha wasi-introduce-ela sambona establish-a laphana uMokoena. No, siyamazi uMokoena ukuthi uyi-player eli-important. Same thing noKhuliso Mudau. uKhuliso Mudau uyi-player eli-important, has always been i-player eli-important for i-Sundowns. So imaphi ama-player since afikile uCardoso esingawa-pinpoint-a sithi ngaphandle kwaCardoso sibanibani, hhayi ayikho indaba yakhe, noma umu-introduce-ile sambona akwazi ukuthwala i-team serious, alikho i-player. Cause uma ubheka i-big signing uLeon, it was a big signing uLeon angithi. Vele bekunama-expectations a-serious, so equality lakhe naye uLeon. URisinho usayinwe uye straight, uMiguel Cardoso he-failed uSundowns. Well maybe bekadinga isikhathi but-ke as umuntu obuye ePortugal, odlale ku-international kuma-under bani bani laphana ePortugal. When you come to noma ngithi when you get to ibhola lase-South Africa noma ngithi lase-Africa, ngoba even on the continent uRisina akabanikanga lutho. Ufika ne-quality eli-better elingcono, but maybe inkinga uku-adapt. But uNuno Santos, I'm impressed ngoNuno Santos. But recently, especially njengoba i-league iqeda ukuqala bafethu unama-mistake amaningi now, lose amabhola unnecessary, but i-quality laka-Nuno Santos siyalazi. Is this gonna be a big season for yena uNuno Santos akwazi ukufida amajita laphana phambili, wa-create ama-opportunities, but kumele bakwazi ukuba in sync bonke. Because I think my biggest worry mina it's on the continent. Even the last season, the Sundowns defense yakhona, they've always been shaky. Just that ukuthi bayakwazi ukuphanisha laphana phambili, but they would bebabonakala be-decent uma kudlala uCupido. So khona umjida laphana ucommentile uthi I think uthe uCupido noMvalo kumele babazame laphana. Ucabanga ukuthi i-combination yalabantu laba bawu-two, yalama-defenders lawa bawu-two ingasebenza, because laba abanye hhayi ngeke. Angazi uGrant Kekana unama-mistake. uGrant Kekana is one of the most experienced defenders ebholeni lase-South Africa, but akana-speed. uGrant Kekana uma ebhekane nabantu abane-speed, aba-reactor fast, abahlakaniphile, naye uzoba namaphutha wakhe. At the same time siyamazi-ke noMvala naye unama-mistake wakhe. Ngike ngasho uMvala uma ngikhuluma ngaye ngithi i-injury yakhe i-unusual bafowethu, so I don't think uzobuya ewumdlali ofana, but uCupido naye is currently injured for isikhathi eside. Wadlala even waqeda isizini last season elimele. Asazi ukuthi uzobuya nini, but i-player like Cupido is the best defender for me for iMamelodi Sundowns. But akekho lowo muntu loyo, angithi basazozama-ke ama-defenders a-different. uKhoza ngeke am-replace lo, sengibonile. Asikho i-space sakakhoza ku-Sundowns bafowethu, asikho. Sombona futhi kula magame amakhulu. Imagine uzodlala nabo Esperance. I-Sundowns yayishaya i-Esperance. Ngihlezi ngenza i-example ngale match le Esperance. Uthi yashaya i-Esperance, but angazi ukuthi ba-survive kanjani, because ilo Esperance ngiyakhumbula, I think first leg at home, ayibo yageja ukugeja bafowethu. And uCupido, I remember that game ashaya ama-life saving tackles, like ayi-last man, ubone ukuthi if liyadlula lana kuzokhoseka i-havoc e-serious, but-ke bekakwazi ukuba there. But maybe i-Sundowns izokwazi ukubuilda kule win lena, but mningi umsebenzi okumele wenziwe uMikel Cardoso emuva. But I think into ebashaye kakhulu ukudlala yini lento le ibizwa konje, ama-offside trap, into abangayijwayele le, because you need like ama-defenders if uzodlala i-offside trap ane-speed, a-intelligent. So nama-defenders are-slow, anganayo i-pace that much, ufuna adlale i-offside trap. But if bafowethu nifila ngathi maybe ngi-too harsh nge-Sundowns, or especially defense yakhona, hhayi phambili bangakwazi ukulungisa izinto zabo, bakwazi ukwashaya amagoli, but bazovala na emuva. Khona amalanga la bazothola khona just maybe igoli elilodwa. But if ba-consider almost each and every game, I think that's this season, selokhu season iqalile maybe abaconsider-anga igame eyodwa. Can't remember, I think igame eyodwa nje kuphela. So kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Ngicela uzibambe lana ngokwamanje bafowethu, ngithi danko.